Okay, I just want to show you I've shorted gold on my futures account based off this signal. There's a couple of alerts that come into play here. We're up $88. So I'm just looking for quick money here. I'm just going to close that, exit. Yeah, come back to this one. Yeah, so I mean, that's just a quick $88. You can see 88 ticks. That equates to $88. That was my trade there. Now the thing is, see the blue dot under here? That's telling me that this could pull back. So I went off these signals pretty much. That one, the red candle kicking in, and the break under the blue line, this and that. That's it. And I'm up $88 on that trade. Okay, going to go back and have a look at some of these. I missed the boat, but look, this is what you do. I got into the gold trade and I missed this one. See that hashtag? And the break under the blue line, that's your trade there. You start there. And this is based on that signal with these guys preceding, and especially the break under that blue line with the red candle, the red hashtag and the break under here. That's your short. Had a good start to the day. So let's just go out now. I'm going to show you. Well, that's still going. Well, so here it is, guys. Look, just follow this strategy here. I'm going to take out all the drawings, and I want to show you how you can do this. See the green candles go red and you get that hashtag. That's a signal. It crosses under the blue line. Now here you've got that and you've got that. That's all you're looking for. You align the red signal, red candle kicked in here. You just look down. That's the red candle kicked in there, right? Look down and what have you got? Right, you've got that. And you've got the break under here. That's what you're looking for. Look at this pullback up into here. It's brutal. POI blue dots. There we go. We're looking for the candles to turn from green to red and to cross over this blue line, backed up by these. Now the buy, bullish. See the green candle right there? Look at this. Just look for these things. You want that and you want that. And this is traveling up from the base. Traveling up from the base, and you break above the blue line with that green candle. There's your trade. Go long. Okay, red candle, break under the blue line, go short. Back here, look, red signal, break under the blue line, red, that one's traveling down, go short. That's it. That's what you're looking for here. There's another short here. No, these are green under here, don't touch it. No, just wait for the setup. And also I want to see it cross over that blue dotted line. So at the moment, yeah, I mean, that could continue down. Just let it go because you don't have all the confluence. Let's have a look at gold. Yeah, see how it pulled back? So that was a good call to close that trade and secure. See here, look, this is why I'm closing. These guys kicking in and those guys kicked in. So that's where I closed. I opened here and I got, an $88 gain. Since we've started this system, let me show you some results. Okay, this is my Lucid trading account. This is when we kicked off with the scalping strategy, and it's just been an upward incline. I've got 3 accounts running, 50k accounts. So I've connected 3 of them. So when I take one trade, all 3 fire. That's gold, okay. Anyway, guys, look, I'll be following up with more videos on this. Here's the thing. This is now discounted. Once again, look, you can trial the indicators, and it's completely free for 7 days. And I mean, look, and that's only $29.95 a month. Making this available for everybody. There's a need for this in the world, guys. Make that back on your first trade. And this goes one step further. Well, VIP is $49.99 a month, and it comes with a Gold EA. And we can connect your MT4, MT5 account. This has been going since 2024, so this is going to be free if you join VIP, the $49.95 a month. Look at these results since 2024. Right there, you can join. It's inclusive of your VIP, so you're going to get full VIP access. Accounts that are 5,000 and above, yeah, that's what's on offer. And I invite you to enjoy this journey, guys, and jump on board. Have a great day. See you in the next one.